As a cold front approached west to Michigan, those winds whipped those waves up to the highest levels early this morning. They're starting to come down, but they're still dangerous out there along the lake shore. When will it be safe to go to the beaches once again? Well, in terms of your weather, 13 weather ball is blue. Tomorrow we'll see that cooler weather in view.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
As the cold front approaches, we had a line of some showers and weak thunderstorms. No severe weather with that, but a good amount of rain, a half an inch or more, especially up in Oceana County, where Ludington picked up a 1.62. Technically, you're in Mason County, but yes, a lot of rain here in West Michigan. After the rain ended earlier this afternoon, the sun came out, and now we're starting to get some pop-up showers across the area. Over in Muskegon, there was a shower that came through. You can see a little water on the lens. Gusty winds to 30+ miles per hour. Also in Holland, we've got 74 degrees with that gusty wind. You can see that thunder shower or a very heavy rain shower just to the north of there. And up in Fremont, there's been an occasional sprinkle of rain here and there, but an ominous looking sky. But as the temperatures cool off later on this evening, we'll lose the threat of some showers. We're down to 72 after reaching the mid 70s, even 78 over here in Muskegon earlier. But again, in the afternoon sunshine, we've had these pop-up showers. None of these are severe, and we'll see these diminish as we get into the evening hours. Heaviest showers along M46 just east of Wolf Lake on up toward the Twin Lake area. None of these are severe. Back to the west, high pressure is building on in, so we're going to enjoy very nice weather for an extended period of time. There'll be very little chance of rain coming our way anytime soon. Skies clearing overnight tonight, lots of sunshine throughout the day tomorrow. Maybe a high cloud here and there from time to time, but all the way through the weekend we've got some great weather on the way. And you can see on our daily precipitation model, there is really no chance of any rain until next Thursday night into Friday morning. Long-range outlook says we are going to continue to see high chances for warmer temperatures from the 23rd through the 27th, and an equal chance or maybe even a little bit higher chance of less precipitation in our area. Again, small craft advisories, beach hazard alerts along the lake shore overnight. 5-foot waves this evening dropping to 3-footers. It may not be till noon tomorrow while they'll let you in the water there at the lake shore. So tonight, an early evening shower or a rumble of thunder, and then as the sun goes down, it'll become clear. Upper 50s to around 60. Northern zone, again, an early evening shower and then clear skies. Overnight lows in the low and mid 50s. Here from Grand Rapids South, we're less of a chance of seeing a pop-up shower. Overnight lows in the mid 50s. 13 on your side forecast. Be dry all the way until next Thursday night, as we talked about. A little haze on Saturday. Very humid then starting on Sunday as dew points climb to 70 plus. All the way through next Wednesday. Humidity starts to drop a little bit toward the end of next week, and the following weekend will be very seasonable, right around our average highs in the upper 70s. So yeah, some active weather here the last 24 hours.
Yeah, but still a lot of summer left too on that forecast.
You see all that sunshine? That looks nice, George. Thanks.
After morning showers and thunderstorms came through the area, we had the skies clear out this afternoon, but now we've got a little bit of instability in the air. So we've got some pop-up showers and a little bit of wind. But the 13 weather ball for your Friday is solid blue, just a little bit cooler weather in view.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
And if you're going to be out walking the dog here this evening, you can expect these cumulus clouds to maybe produce a brief shower, but I'm going to still give Otis and Pam a green paw for your walk. The winds will come down, and so will the temperatures. They'll drop into the mid and upper 50s overnight with a green paw to start your day. More sunshine tomorrow, 8.6 out of a 10-point scale to create green energy from the sun. Winds will be down a little bit here tomorrow. Still a bit breezy, but not as windy as it has been this afternoon and overnight last night. You can see a couple of showers starting to work their way down from the northwest. There might be a shower very soon out here on the weather deck, but all of the really active weather is now even cleared the state, and these showers are going to be falling apart once the sun goes down later on this evening. Back to the west, high pressure is building on in, so we're going to lose not only the chances for rain, but lose all of the cloud cover and wind. We got a cold front going through at the present time. You can see between now and about 11 o'clock, skies become clear. Lots of sunshine throughout the day on Friday. It should be a very nice day. Saturday as well. Plenty of sunshine. It will start to get a little bit more humid, and it will get very humid starting on Sunday. Again, plenty of sunshine. We'll call it mostly sunny across the region. Looking farther ahead, this is just beyond our 10-day forecast. The last days of August, temperatures will be a little bit closer to our average highs, which are in the upper 70s to near 80. No fall-like weather anytime soon. And in terms of our precipitation, looks like the storm track is going to be well off to our north and west, so we have equal chances of seeing more or less during that 7-day period. Water temperatures, depending on your location, either stayed steady around 70 or dropped into the upper 50s to low 60s as the winds really overturned the lake here the last 24 hours. There might be that early evening shower, and then skies will clear, upper 50s to near 60 at the lakeshore. Northern part of our viewing area, again, an early evening shower, rumble of thunder. Overnight lows in the low and mid-50s, and from Grand Rapids southward, we may see that early evening shower, but overnight lows under clearing skies will be in the mid-50s. 13 on your side forecast. Last of the 70s this week. We'll get into the 80s on Saturday with some haze in the air, very humid, and mid-80s Sunday through at least Tuesday of next week. Next chance of showers will come the following Thursday night, but ending by daybreak on Friday. Next weekend looks very seasonable.
All right. Thank you, George. George told us about the dangerous conditions coming today last night. And boy, you wouldn't want to go into the water after seeing the waves.
You know, they look crazy and I like them from the shore, but we're here with Chief Meteorologist George Lessons. And George, is it going to continue?
The beaches will probably remain closed until after sunrise tomorrow, guys. Waves are starting to come down, but they're still too dangerous. All because of a cold front going through the area, all the waves being wind driven. A 13 weather ball is blinking bright. We've had a couple of widely scattered showers early tonight, but then the sun will come out before the sun goes down, and then blue because it's going to be cooler in view on your Friday.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Highs today managed to climb into the 70s, but we had a lot of rain before that. Ludington, you got 1.62 inches of rain, almost an inch up in Oceana County, a good half an inch all the way across West Michigan. About everybody saw rain. Mid and upper 70s today, including 75 here in Grand Rapids. That is not our average high of 81, but it came within 1 degree of what we forecast 7 days in a row within our target range. Out on Lake Michigan, you can still see winds gusting to over 30 miles per hour, and waves are running 5 to 6 feet, but that's down from the 8 to 10 feet from earlier. They'll remain high this evening and then it gradually go down. And because the State Park Beach is closed at the Holland Beach, nobody there on the beaches. Also over in Grand Haven from the Earth Cam there, cool 66 degrees. Look at those roiling waves. And South Haven, much better. You're at 72 degrees. Not sure if they've closed the beaches. It looks a lot calmer than it does in those other locations. We've had some scattered showers behind the cold front, which is now pushing east of Lansing, and you can see these isolated pockets of showers for the next hour or two. This is 11 o'clock under clear skies, and lots of clear skies overnight tonight, and a beautiful day coming up during the day tomorrow. Plenty of sunshine not only Friday, but also on into Saturday. We'll see temperatures starting to warm up over the weekend, getting into the 80s on Saturday, and then the humidity goes up during the day on Sunday. Wow, it's going to be very humid as we get into parts of next week. You can see this is the last of the rain for a while, all the way through next Thursday afternoon. Basically a zero chance of any rain. Thursday night and early Friday before sunrise is when we might see our next chance of rain, and it's not a lot, so back into the dry and summer-like weather. This is the Lake Michigan forecast for tomorrow starting at 5 a.m. We can see those beach hazard alerts going down around 8 a.m., so it might be clear to go out onto the beaches. Waves will start to come down from 3-footers in the morning to 1 to 2 foot by the end of the day. Plenty of sunshine. As far as the forecast, skies will be sunny at the lake shore, a little bit cooler, right around 70 to maybe as warm as 74 at Muskegon, around 70 along US 10, 72 to 73 in Fremont and in Greenville, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area. We'll be down into the low 70s. Yes, a little bit cooler than average, but warming up nearly 10 degrees on Saturday. Here's your 13 on target forecast. Haze on Saturday as we get to 82, 86 Sunday, nearly that on Monday and Tuesday. Very humid conditions, dew points in the 70s all the way through Wednesday. We'll cool off to 82 on Wednesday next week. Dry on Thursday. Thursday night there's a chance of showers and thunderstorms, but still a bit humid on Friday, dry all day, and next weekend looking more comfortable with highs in the upper 70s.